Okay, so let's do this question. This is a question that you can see in a test such as like the GMAT. So today I want to show you how to approach this data sufficient question. So they tell me if n is a member of the set, and then they give you the set. They give me the information that n is odd, and then n is a multiple of 5. Okay, so where do I start? The first thing that I want to do is to start with statement A. Well, let's see if 1 alone is sufficient. The only information that I know is that n is odd. An odd number is going to be like 1, 3, 5. So let's see which ones are odd here. So I have 43, oops. So I have 43 right here. Then I have 55. The rest of these numbers, let me see here, this was 43, right here 43, and then I have 55. The rest of these numbers, are just even. So is 1 sufficient? No, because n could be 43 or n could be 55. So because A does not work, you can eliminate 8 and then you can already eliminate D, because look, statement 1 alone is sufficient, but statement 2 alone is not sufficient. And then D says each statement alone is sufficient. So if you already eliminate A, you can eliminate D. All right, let's go to the second step. The second statement tells me that n is a multiple of 5. Well, I look at this and I see that 55 is a multiple of 5, 50, and then I say, is this sufficient? No, because n could be 50 or it could be 55. Because statement 2 is not sufficient, I'm going to eliminate B. So I'm now between C and E. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to evaluate both statements together. And is odd, well, if it's odd, it could be either 43 or 55. That's true. N is a multiple of 5. Bingo! N is equals to 55. So that tells me that my answer is C, and I can eliminate E. Both statements together are sufficient, but neither alone is sufficient. So this is basically how you approach this question. Thank you so much and have a math day.